Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to feature the microwave pressure cooker for you and make a one-pot pasta. I recently jumped on the pressure cooker bandwagon and I really don't know how I functioned before I got one of these. Now let's just take a quick look at this a little closer because you're probably thinking to yourself, Jess, why should I get a microwave pressure cooker over some other options? I would probably be thinking the same thing. So first and foremost, you can see there are no electric components on this pressure cooker. Nothing to malfunction, nothing to wear out. Second, we have the safety indicator. It lets us know when our items are ready to come out and when they're not safe to take out. It cooks faster, it builds pressure faster, it's entirely dishwasher safe. Everything. Yes, everything. So it's truly one-stop shop for your meal. You can cook, serve, and store all in this. So let's get started. What do you need for today? Obviously, microwave pressure cooker, your Power Chef, onion, garlic. I used 2 cloves instead of 1 for this recipe. 8 ounces of hamburger, 24 ounces of your favorite sauce, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 8 ounces of penne pasta or whatever pasta you have. I am using elbow macaronis today because that's what I had. And 1 cup of beef broth. So let's get going. Now, I did a tiny bit of prep before this video because nobody wants to see my atrocious knife skills. I know Gordon Ramsay and Bobby Flay would be so disappointed in me. So first and foremost, quarter up your onion and your garlic, put it in, give it a couple cranks, chop, 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 chop. Good. Super easy. We're going to take our lid off. Dump it on in. It doesn't have to be perfect, friends. It's not ever perfect. I put everything in nice little fancy bowls, but Lord knows we don't do that at our house. So just for future, you don't have to do that. Nobody does that. Thanks, fancy cooking videos, for making us look bad. Now I'm getting like teary-eyed, but I just like to mix in just a little bit the onions and the garlic into my meat, just so that it's a little bit more distributed. Go ahead and put in your teaspoon. It would help if you open up the Italian seasoning first before videoing. I just bought it. Sorry, guys. There we go. I don't use the measuring spoon. I just kind of eyeball it. Just eyeball, friends. Just eyeball. So again, just kind of mixing that around. I'm not wiping things on my clothes. I'm really wiping it on a paper towel. So just kind of crumbling it up, mixing it in, nice and good. Super great. Super fast. All right. Go ahead and add in your pasta, add in your sauce. Again, it would help if I could get things open. Add it in. You don't even have to stir that bad boy in there. Beef broth, all in one. Super easy. So here is the hardest part of the whole thing. Lining up the arrows, and I was being funny. It's not that hard, guys. All right, line up your arrows, twist it on over, lock down the handle. You can hear it click, and you should hear it click. Walk on over to your microwave. I'm walking. Power level, high, mine's 10. And cook time, 10 minutes. Give it a start. That's it. Done. Forget it. Go ahead. Get out your other phone. Do some work. Do some Facebook. Do some Pinterest. Drink some wine. You got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Great. The dogs aren't barking. The kid is out playing his little video games. Relax. You got 10. So let's just relax. Hey y'all, welcome back. Hope you had a great break. Well, let's get the show on the road and get ready to serve our one-pot pasta. Let's open this up and see what we got. Pop the lid. Turn the lid. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. So, here you have it. It's all ready to go. Now, of course, we love Parmesan at our house. Go ahead and put that on there. You can serve it right from this pot. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little scoop on a plate. Oh, seriously, it smells amazing. So you can see, all cooked. Everything's ready to go. Your little fans will be eating it up in no time. So you've vested about 20 minutes total from prep to microwave, cool down to serve. Less than 20 minutes. I got time for that. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did today making our one-pot pasta, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time and what we're making. Have a good one. Bye guys.